Hey guys, what's up? I'm Josh. Welcome back to another episode of Josh's Tech Bites. Today we're going to be replacing the light tubes inside this GTX 1070 ASUS ROG Strix graphics cards. So from what I've read online, this is a pretty common issue with this card. After time and after they're exposed to heat, these light tubes become cloudy, they get real brittle and start to break, and they don't pass the LED light from one end to the other anymore. So we're going to replace those to try to bring the nice little glow back that this card has on the front of it. I did buy my light tubes from Amazon, and I will link the description in the below of the light tubes that I purchased. This fix should work for the 10 series graphics cards, the ROG Strix cards. I don't know about the 20 series. I think it should work with those, and the 30 series is something completely different. So the 10 series for sure, the 20 series maybe, the 30 series is a no-go. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open, and I will show you how to replace the light tubes. Alright, so I've got my iFixit kits here. I'm going to open those up, and I'm going to get a Phillips head bit to remove the screws in the card. This one right here should work. So you have 3 screws on the side of the card, and then you have 3 screws behind these fans that you need to remove. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those. Now, this is still connected the top by an LED cable. So you can either unplug it, or what I like to do is just lift it up and lay it over like a clamshell, and that will give me access to the light tubes that I need to replace. This is a very, very easy fix. Other than sending a card back to ASUS, this is really all that you can do. So these are the light tubes that you're going to want to replace, and these LEDs emit light from this end of the card, and it shines all the way down to the end. So you can actually see already that these light tubes are really cloudy. And when I pull them out, I'm going to try to be as careful as possible so I don't break the clips, but also so I don't break the tube itself and I don't have to pull out lots of little bitty pieces. So I'm just going to take my screwdriver and just try to go through and pop them up. They're probably going to break. They're not easy to get out, but just be as gentle as you can. And the size of these light tubes, I think I forgot to mention, is 4 millimeters. So when you're looking to buy your tubes, you want to go for the 4 millimeter stuff. Alright, there's one. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just try to get some leverage in there so we can get these out. See how hard they are to get out? You might want to start closer to the center where you can get some more leverage. I'm going to try to pull this out if I can. And these don't appear to be super brittle, which is good. They're coming out in one piece, but they are in there pretty good, so you have to give a little bit of force, but be as gentle as you can. Alright, so the old tubes are out. If I can get the bag open. And here's our new tubes. So you can see the difference. They are very, very, these are very, very cloudy compared to the new ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of line these up to see how long this needs to be. And I'll probably cut it just a little longer since these have bends in them, just to make sure that I have enough. And they cut pretty easy, so now we're going to try to feed these back in. Just make sure you're following the path of the openings. And that one was actually the perfect size. So we're gonna go ahead and size up our next one and feed it in. And one thing that I noticed after doing that one is if you start on this end, go ahead and feed it into the end, and then feed this one into the end on this side, it's a whole lot easier to get it worked in. This clip right there is pretty tight, so and there we go, they're in, and we will now put the card back together. It goes together the same way you took it apart. And then replace your screws. And there you have it. They are replaced, and we'll fire the thing up and take a look at it. And that's it. That's all there is to it. It's a very easy fix, very simple. It can be done in a matter of 5 to 10 minutes, and this should effectively take care of the problem. I don't know how long this solution will last. I don't know if these new tubes are susceptible to the same issues as the old ones, but I will make a follow-up video if they start to dim again. Now again, this is probably not going to be a great of concern to you if your card is mounted horizontally, as some of the people who have the cards mounted vertically, having it in that side window and only getting to see half the lights on the card, you're probably going to want to fix that, take care of it. And I'm sure that most of the 10 series cards are out of warranty anyway, so we're kind of left fixing it ourselves now. So I wanted to just make this video just to show you how to do it. Like I said, it's a very easy fix. It can be done in a matter of 5 to 10 minutes, and it should effectively take care of your problems. And like I said, I don't know if it's a permanent solution, but I will make a follow-up video if the lights start to dim again over time. And then again, we'll just keep replacing as long as we have to, as long as we use the card, I guess. So that's going to do it all for this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.